What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here, and today I want to talk to you about referencing and a little tip that I've got for you. But before I get into the video, if you'd like to hit that subscribe and notification bell, if you'd like to see more videos like this, or if you've been enjoying the videos that I've released in the past, I do a video now probably once every week or so. So if you are enjoying the content, then be sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell. And also, if you'd like to support the channel, you can do that at allanmorrowstudios.com, where there is a multitude of in-depth tutorials, templates, sound banks, and all stuff like that to help you with your trance productions. So getting into the video and referencing. So it's firstly with referencing, it's one thing that I really think anyone should be doing when they're learning to produce, especially in the earlier days when they're trying to get their sound right. They're sort of learning the whole production, process and balancing of sounds and levels and all these sorts of things. And one tip that I would suggest when you come to using a reference track is firstly throw it into your actual DAW so you can quickly A/B. But when you come to finding a track, try to find one that's similar to the sort of track that you're making. Same sort of similar elements. I'm not saying copy or anything like that. But the tip of today I would suggest is to pick a track in the same key. Now, that's not always going to be very easy to do. Especially if you're doing a different sort of style or whatever. It can be done. Obviously, it's a similar style, similar key. And the reason why I say that is, when you come to sort of doing things like your bass, mixing your bass and all those sorts of things, and even other elements and stuff like that, if, for example, your reference track is in, say, C minor, but your track is in, say, G, that reference track is going to naturally sound a little bit brighter. So what you don't want to be doing is then EQing your sounds whilst listening to the reference track according to the reference track, because the reference track is going to slightly sound brighter. So you don't want to be making bad mixing decisions based on that. It could well be that if that track was, for example, brought down to the G, it would sound like yours does. So bear that in mind when you are, referencing your track to another track, especially in those low frequencies, your sub and your basses as well. Those are real areas that you want to sort of be listening to. And it does definitely help when it's in the same sort of key to get more accurate sort of levels and stuff like that. If you can't find one in the same key, then obviously, if your reference track is a couple of semitones higher, just be aware that that is the case. And then when you come to doing your mixing decisions, or you're flipping back A/Bing to the reference track, that if it does sound brighter, then it might just be that's the natural way it is because it's higher up the scale. So yeah, that's today's tip in terms of referencing. If you would like to see other reference tips, because I know some people have a bit of a love-hate relationship with it. Some people say they really struggle with referencing. If you would like to see more reference tips, then be sure to put a comment in the section below and let me know if you'd like to see some more. There is a few that I've got in there to sort of help you, but yeah, let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet done so, guys, be sure to check out the AM Studios production community. It's completely free. I'll leave a link in the description above. Sorry, not in the description above. I'll leave a link above on the screen, and you can check that out there. Basically get exclusive production tips and tricks to sort of help you with your productions directly to your inbox. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.